Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Here, the harsh sun forces some of the juiciest and toughest critters to hide underground. Only the most super-skilled hunters can get at them. Meerkats can sniff out the best prey beneath the surface. But when your head's buried in the sand, digging 8 hours a day, it pays to have friends in high places. A Drongo's razor-sharp vision can pinpoint a tiny bug over 300 feet away. And from way up here, it can spot an enemy a mile off. Like a 14-pound meerkat-eating martial eagle. Meerkats understand that's Drongo for threat from the skies. When their trusted friend gives the all clear, the meerkats know it's safe to come out again. Jackpot! Protein and water in one poisonous package. Thankfully, meerkats are experts at dispatching scorpions. But this story has another sting in the tail.
That's the alarm again.
But this time, there is no eagle. The Drongo is a liar. A cunning con artist who takes advantage of the meerkat's hard work, but cry eagle too many times, and the meerkats get wise to the game. Now, that call can't be ignored. It's a meerkat alarm. Or is it? The devious Drongo is also a mind-blowing mimic. She can switch between 30 different alarm imitations. And as long as she tells the truth, sometimes meerkats can't afford to ignore their two-faced frenemy.